Hey. So we making apple pie.
Yeah.
Jason's we're making straight from scratch. Here's Jason's. Jason is the one working it, not me. Here it is. So we make it, we put it together, and Jason's about to put it in the oven now. Go for it.
Now we leave that for 35 to 40 minutes and we'll come back to it when it's all ready.
So the pie is ready. We're about to put it out the oven. How's it looking?
Looking good, looking good.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So we're gonna give it a try a little later on when it cools down, right?
Yep.
Looks like it's gonna be good. All right. I have some goofy kids.